Alright, in this video I want to show you a quick and easy way to add some extra realism to your older style MTH Amfleets that were made in the early 2000s. So let's get into it. Now for those who don't know, the run that MTH Amfleets that I have in my collection is the older run that came out in the early 2000s. Now this older run does not have as many exterior details as the newer, most recent run that came out a couple years ago does have. So I wanted to find a quick and easy way here at home to add some more details and realism to my older set of MTH Amfleets. So the simple and easy trick I came up with to add the silver end diaphragms on my Amfleet cars, which is very similar to what you can see on modern Amfleet cars of the silver end diaphragms and the most recent run of MTH Amfleets, is to use just as simple a gray permanent marker, in this case it's a Sharpie marker, to outline the edges of the diaphragms to make these Amfleets look like the real Amfleets and the current most recent MTH Amfleets. So all I did was I took my Sharpie marker and I outlined the outer edges of these diaphragms very lightly, as well as I neatly outlined the interior edges as you see there as well. Now I'll throw some pictures up on the screen here, most likely right now, of all of the real Amfleets looking like this, as well as some MTH Amfleets also looking like this as well. Now the newer run of MTH Amfleets is styled a little differently, but without buying extra parts and just using what you have at home, I found this to be a pretty easy way to add some realism to your Amfleets. So I did these to all 4 cars each end, so let's go ahead and see it in action.
Track 664, you are clear outbound.